A quick presentation because remember, Easter is early this year. Easter is April 4th. We are just barely over a month away from Easter. And wouldn't it be beautiful for your Easter celebration to celebrate with this 15-inch egg-shaped figural platter with the metal stand in the egg hunt pattern? I'm sorry, this is what we're talking about, the platter right here. So this is exciting. Same great pattern that you love in egg hunt, except that it's 15 inches large. So yes, you can use it for serving. Yes, you could bake on this, whatever you need to do, warm foods on it. Or you could just put it in the stand we include, and when I say we, I mean Tara, and you've got a fantastic decoration for your home. Tara, our time is short. Tell us more about this.
No worries. So what I love about this, David, is first of all, you can use it right there for entertaining. So this becomes the centerpiece for your Easter table where you can have, of course, all of your decorated eggs. Maybe you put some of your flameless candles or real candles inside there. But at the heart of it, it is our great stoneware. So it still goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. It replaces your baking sheet. Of course, it goes in the dishwasher when you want to clean it. You can chill. Maybe you buy those Junior's little individual cheesecakes. Love those, by the way. And you want to put those on that serving platter. You can chill them ahead of time in the fridge and then bring them right out to the table. So love that. And then, of course, it's just beautiful and decorative. So if you don't go crazy decorating for the season, this is such a fun pop that you can just tuck on your backsplash or tuck on your countertop, and it looks so pretty.
Everyone wants to know what this little egg says. Let's see what it says. Oh, nest.
Nest.
There it is. Hey, can I tell you that we do have those Junior cheesecakes that you speak of, Tara? They're coming up in the show today. So we have,
I did not know that.
Yeah, they're the Easter collection. So we're going to be talking about those. It's actually 3 ships. So 3. And so that way you can choose to have them delivered now or later in March, and then we have one coming in June and one in November. So all this comes together for you at a great, great price today. This is only $16.73, but when they're gone, guess what? Clearance pricing, gone for good. Very, very busy. This will arrive before Easter, and Easter is early this year, April the 4th. Miss Tara, I believe we have one more item coming up later. Yes?
We do, the electric skillet.
That's right, the electric skillet. So we'll talk about that coming up, and in the meantime, stay on the line here. Let's also mention something else.